Okay, let's see how to stop Skype from automatically starting when your computer starts. Go to these three dots where it says more, go to application settings, and here we have automatically start Skype, and it's blue. Click on it and now it's gray. Or you can use the next one, launch Skype, in the background. At least don't show it if you want, but this one disables it from starting. If you go to the task manager, right click the taskbar and task manager, go to startup. Okay, even here you can see what's happening. So now automatically start Skype is selected, Skype was added, is there in the startup list, and now if I disable it, Skype disappeared from the startup list. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.